pinapapabasura po ng ating OSG sa Korte Suprema yung petisyon ng inyong kampo na maharang po ang arrest warrant ng ICC.
Well, sana hindi tayo masubjudice pero the people also have the right to know. We are finalizing, as a matter of fact, na-finalize na namin yung aming reply. Kasi if you notice, yung deadline ng 3 days ng Solgen was on Saturday. And ang sa amin naman, 3 days after that would be Tuesday, tomorrow. Pero we are giving ourselves, I will refine it, and we are awaiting also the comments of other well-meaning lawyers who want to also contribute their own opinion insofar as our reply is concerned. But on or before 2 p.m., isasubmit ko na ito maski bukas pa yung deadline namin po.
Sabi ni Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla, admission of guilt ang pagtatago ni Senator Bato at hamon po niya kung naniniwala siyang walang kasalanan, harapin daw yung mga paratang Attorney Torion.
Yun ang kanyang opinion, ginagalang natin yun. Pero yung admission of guilt na sinasabi niya, contemplates a situation where there is a local case. We are dealing here with a unique situation which is a case emanating from a foreign court. If you will know, the preliminary investigation that was akin to a preliminary investigation conducted in this case was done in secret. We never knew about it. We were never informed about it. And meron ng warrant of arrest. As a matter of fact, we exerted efforts to determine whether or not there was a warrant of arrest. And we have been rebuffed. We have been refused. And only now, it has been yung pagsipot na talaga niya, meron talagang warrant of arrest. Now, how can you consider him how can you consider it as an indicia of guilt? When he was not formally informed of the charges and when he was not given the chance to defend himself. Kaya nga ang sa aming humble stand dito, idaan ito dapat sa local courts kasi customary international law yan. Kung merong warrant of arrest.
May mga iba pang argumento dyan. Yung Republic Act 9851. Kasi yung local courts daw, dahil tayo ay nandun pa rin sa International Criminal Court. Pero hindi na rin tayo member. Ngayon, ang isa sa sinusulong Republic Act 9851.
Alam ko yan, Section 17. Yan yung mga experts na sinasabi. Under Section 17, we have the right to surrender or extradite. No? Ang problema kasi dyan, I do hope they will be intellectually honest to admit the surrender aspect insofar as RA 9851, the procedural mechanism under the Rome Statute, we did not copy. The extradition, meron na tayong rules dyan. Iba yung recognition of a warrant, iba yung enforcement of a warrant. Sabi nila, hindi nila dadakpin, pero morning pa lang, nandun na ang NBI head mismo doon sa Senado. So dapat talaga may due process dito.
Okay, kung bagay ng due process, kapag palabas ang local court, masasatisfy na ho itong si Senator Bato, Attorney?
Yes, if this will pass through local judicial process, ang problema lang, kung mag-insist sila sa surrender, wala tayong procedural mechanism. Dapat sana, gusto naman nila yung surrender, i-amend nila yung Republic Act 9851